Searching for the best compact circular saw feels like walking into a hardware store blindfolded. They all look the same blade size, same promises of power and precision, but the real difference? It's buried in the details most brands won't shout about. Today, we're cutting through the noise. Product number 1, Skill 508001. First up is the Skill 508001, a 13-amp 714-inch saw that stands out for its raw power in a surprisingly compact frame. At just $44, it's one of the most affordable full-sized circular saws that still feels professional. If you want serious cutting muscle without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike smaller 412-inch models, this one uses standard 714-inch blades, which are cheaper, more durable, and easier to find. Plus, it's got a magnesium shoe for reduced weight and better durability, and a dust blower to keep your cut line visible. With over 1,000 bought in the past month, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Now, some people complained about the lack of a laser guide or LED light, which honestly would have been nice for precision work. Here's the thing though, if you're doing rough framing or quick cuts, you probably don't need those extras. This saw prioritizes function over flash. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or contractor who needs a reliable, no-frills saw for heavy-duty jobs. Skip this one if you're doing fine trim or detailed woodworking where visibility is key. At $44, it's an absolute steal for what it delivers. Product number 2, DWALT Atomic 20V Max. Now, if the Skills corded setup feels limiting, this next one takes a completely different approach. The DWALT Atomic 20V Max is a 412-inch cordless compact saw that's all about portability and DWALT's trusted battery ecosystem. If you want a lightweight, go-anywhere saw for quick cuts on the job site, this is worth a serious look. The brushless motor runs efficiently on DWALT's 20V batteries, delivering up to 3,700 RPM, plenty for wood, plastic, and even thin metal. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It weighs under 5 pounds, making it ideal for overhead work or tight spaces where a full-sized saw would be awkward. Plus, the compact design lets you squeeze into corners and cut trim without repositioning constantly. With 500 plus bought recently, it's clear pros and DIYers love the convenience. Now, some people complained about the small cutting depth, only 114 inches at 90 degrees, which means you can't cut through a standard 2x4 in one pass. Here's the thing though, if you're using it for trim, decking, or sheet goods, that depth is usually enough. This is perfect for you if you already own DWALT 20V tools and want a lightweight, cordless option for fast, clean cuts. Skip this one if you need deep cuts or don't want to invest in the battery system. It's pricey upfront, but the long-term value in a cordless setup is huge. Product number 3, CCI Mini Circular Saw. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. The CCI Mini Circular Saw packs a 4.8 amp motor, laser guide, and 3 blades for wood, metal, tile, and plastic, all for under $70. If you want a multi-material cutter that won't take up space, this is worth a serious look. The 4,000 RPM motor is surprisingly strong for its size, and the included TCT, HSS, and diamond blades let you switch from plywood to copper pipe to ceramic tile without buying extra tools. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The laser guide improves accuracy and the rip fence helps with straight cuts, features you usually don't get at this price. The max cut depth is 111/16 inches at 90 degrees, which is solid for a mini saw. With 400 plus bought recently, it's gaining traction among hobbyists and renters. Now, some people complained about the plastic housing feeling flimsy, especially under heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're doing occasional home projects or crafts, it's more than sturdy enough. This is perfect for you if you need a compact, affordable saw that handles more than just wood. Skip this one if you're a professional who needs industrial-grade durability. Product number 4, Galax Pro 4 Amp Compact Saw. Now, if the CCI's multi-blade setup intrigued you but you want something even more budget-friendly, this next one delivers. The GALAX Pro 4 amp saw runs at 3,500 RPM, includes a laser guide, vacuum adapter, and a 24T TCT blade, all for just $43. If you want a no-nonsense compact saw with extra perks, this is worth a serious look. The 4-amp motor is enough for wood, plastic, and soft metals, and the vacuum port helps keep your workspace clean, something most cheap saws ignore. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included rip guide and blade wrench make setup and adjustments easier, especially for beginners. The max cut depth matches the CCI at 111/16 inches, so it's capable for most light-duty tasks. With 200 plus bought recently, it's a quiet favorite for budget shoppers. Now some people complained about the laser being misaligned out of the box, requiring manual adjustment. Here's the thing though, once you calibrate it, it works fine, and honestly at this price you can't expect perfection. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend warrior or student on a tight budget. Skip this one if you need consistent precision or plan to use it daily. For $43, it's hard to beat. Product number 5. Works WX439 LWRXSAW. Finally, if you want a compact saw with a unique design and solid brand backing, the Works WX439L stands out. This 4.5 amp saw weighs just 4.5 pounds, has a left side blade for better visibility, and comes with a 24T carbide blade, all for around $70. If you want a lightweight saw that's easy to control, this is worth a serious look. The left-mounted blade lets you see the cut line clearly, which is a game changer for accuracy, especially in tight spaces. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The compact size and low weight reduce fatigue during long projects, and the ergonomic handle gives you better grip and control. The max cut depth is 118 inches at 45 degrees, which is decent for bevel cuts. With 100 plus bought recently, it's a niche favorite. Now some people complained about the lack of a laser or LED, which feels like a missed opportunity at this price. Here's the thing though, the left side blade design already improves visibility so much that you might not miss it. This is perfect for you if you're doing detailed woodworking or need a saw that's easy to maneuver. Skip this one if you need deep cuts or prefer right side blade orientation. At $70, it's a smart buy for precision-focused users. So which compact circular saw should you buy? The Skill 508001 wins for raw power and value. The DEWALT Atomic is best for cordless freedom. The CCI shines with multi-material versatility. The GALAX Pro is the budget king with extra features, and the Works WX439L offers unmatched visibility. Each has its strength. Pick the one that fits your project, not the one with the flashiest ads.